If you click on your object like this, it selects it. Here on the left you have some commands. First is move. So if you want, let's say, move it like 50, you write 50 millimeters. It's always millimeters. 50 millimeters, and it's moved. You can also do it by clicking on the arrows and dragging it. Then you have scale. So you can scale your item. Let's say we want to scale it on half of this size. You write 50, it goes like 50 everywhere, and they have it there. Then you can rotate it. Click on the line, you drag it, and then the item rotates. The secret is that you should always put the flat surface on the bottom. So you should not have it obviously like this or like that. This is something like totally wrong. And the last one is mirror, is the mirror command. It's perfect. In order to rotate it like that and to see it from all the perspectives, you just right click and then you just move your mouse